are at Verdant View Farm for a tour. We're gonna see the farm and feed some animals.
Yeah!
What are we gonna do? Kenzo, give us the smell vision. What's it smell like?
If you've ever smelled cow poop, horse poop, it smells like horse poop.
Yeah, it smells like animal poop. For good reason. This is the beef farm and bed and breakfast, Verdant View Farm in Lancaster.
So this is the downstairs of the barn. So she said earlier we'll meet some of the moms and babies. This is where we meet the moms and babies. So we have our moms and our little guys in here. There's 5 moms and 5 calves, and then there's these 2. And these 2 are the ones we're gonna bottle feed because they were adopted from our neighbor's farm. So our neighbor still has their moms over there. So we bottle feed them because their moms aren't gonna get them. We're their moms. And they're really sweet. They're like puppy dogs. They might try to give you a kiss though. This is Jeremiah and Jebediah. They're a couple months old, and they're Holstein calves. When they're first born, they're between 80 and 120 pounds. And they stand up and walk within the first couple hours and find their mom's udder right away and drink their milk. So there's 5 moms in here. This is the 5th. We're gonna milk her. That's Walla. And then we'll let her right back in with her baby. And then these are the calves. So the young
Not smooth at all.
Yeah, sandpaper and slobbery.
Everybody wants to milk.
Whoa! You're a pro! Oh, good, Kenzo.
There you go.
Good, Emmy.
Yeah, there you go.
One more, eh?
Keep the bowl on. Look at it.
As well, but I like to hang out here with the hay and hay is
No, uh-oh. Oh.
sucking on your hand.
His shirt.
And your shirt, yeah. Around lunchtime or dinner time, they try to get a hold of anything they can. They saw me get the bottles ready.
Oh, that's why they got all excited.
So they can get a bottle in the morning at 7:30 and then another bottle in the afternoon around 3:30. We're kind of giving them an early snack. They're not getting their actual bottle right now. On the side
That's a big bottle.
Watch out, Lon. Watch out. Okay, yep, there you go. Hold it. You gotta hold it.
Watch out, Lon.
It's like you guys. That's what you guys were like, eating each other's faces. That's what you guys were like when you were little babies.
I did.
Yeah, they just, it's like a pacifier type thing.
Are you talking to the chickens?
They're getting so weird.
Emmy, what do they say? We came to collect their eggs and there are no eggs.
Somebody must have collected them earlier.
Aww.
So we will go in and hold the chickens.
What?
The chickens.
What? We're going in there?
Cuddle with the chickens. We have about a dozen hens in here.
I'm gonna hold it.
What? You can hold it?
Oh, so light.
Oh my god!
Sure.
They do also flap their wings. Sometimes it doesn't hurt. It's just kind of startles. You have to be confident. That's the key. So right over their
What?
right over their wings like this, and then you just scoop.
Oh.
Just from behind, right?
Second try. Cuddle or make her feel comforted.
I know they will.
There you go.
Just don't sit on them. And here,
What's it feel like, Emmy? It feels like an egg? No. What's it feel like? Don't hurt her. Gentle, Mia. You like it? Whoa.
Get the door now. Let me see.
Okay, right here, just first.
You're feeding it?
Yeah, everybody can kind of come in, and then they'll disperse from the.
Oh
Did I
my
cover?
gosh! That was exciting. Is she pregnant?
Here,
She not.
She can act that often. She's the one that eats all the food.
Oh, she's just large and in charge.
Right now, yeah.
So cute. Come here, Littles. Oh, I see your poopies. There's poop all over. Oh, Kansas feeding the goats.
And then hold your hand nice and flat. The moms will eat it.
Oh my goodness. That's so cool. Watch your fingers. Oh my
You
gosh.
can hold the babies. If you get down on your hands and knees, they'll jump on your back.
Oh my god.
Ouch.
I told you it hurt.
Your goat. You know,
Eating my hand.
he was eating your hair? There you go. Oh, it's smelling your underwear.
It's cute to go.
What's it feel like?
It feels like mommy.
Like mommy, like you're the mommy? She is due next week with a 100-pound
Usually
baby.
their udder will swell up really, really big, and hers isn't very big right now. I mean, it's big, but it'll get like really, really big. So it doesn't look like she's gonna have it.
Oh, wait, let me see. She licked your pants, bro. Oh my goodness, look at that belly.
And then we help as best as we can when we see the baby's coming out. We help her pull the calf out. Sometimes we'll do it on their own though. Sometimes they'll come out in the morning and there'll be a calf walking around.
For once, dinner looks good at a restaurant.
Oh yeah, we got some chicken nuggets and peaches and a smiley potato. Mia, what did you get that you were so excited about? Cheesy noodles, mac and cheese. We are at the Bird in Hand Smorgasbord. And oh my goodness, look at what Daddy got. Whoa.
We got that.
You have no idea how much those are.
So good. Big restaurant, big buffet with a huge dessert bar. That's what I'm gonna save a stomach for that. Now I gotta go get my food. What are we doing after dinner, guys? Magic show. Now we're gonna do magic of disappearing food. Whoopie pie cake. This, guys, this is amazing. The whoopie pie is everywhere in Lancaster, and this is so good. And who's getting this? Who's getting this? I already had mine. I think Mia. She ate all her food, or she's about to. Yeah.
I ate all my food already.
You did? Are you ready for it?
Yeah. Daddy.
All right.
I'm ready.
I want to see you take a bite.
Daddy, I'm ready.
What do you think?
Yummy.
Take a bite.
Yummy.
Oh, is it so good?
Yummy.
Yummy. And we got some shoe fly pie, because that's what you gotta do. Whoopie pie, shoe fly pie. So if you come to Bird in Hand Family Inn, or for the restaurant or the show, so that's the restaurant and the show are there. And there is a mini golf. And over here is the massive, amazing playground where we're about to go. And over there is the indoor pool, which is really good, and an outdoor pool. But we're gonna go kill some time at the playground before our show. So we came and had dinner at 4, and now it's 6, and we're gonna do playground time, and the show's at 7. It's a really good playground. We stayed here last year, had fun here. Remember this, Kenzo? By Swing Kingdom. Magic show. That's what it says. I mean, magic show. See? She's like, nope.
Kenzo, wait.